Now let's examine a few calculations that arise in 093 involving circles. Okay? So I have a circle drawn right here with a radius of 5 feet. Now if I want to find the diameter, which is the length of the line that goes from one side to the other side through the center, that is taking the radius and multiplying it by 2. So, diameter equals 2 times the radius. So here the diameter would be 10 feet. Now let's say I want to find the distance around the circle. Well, this involves a number called pi. And pi we estimate, that's the estimate symbol instead of equal symbol, to be 3.14. Okay? So to find the circumference as if you walked around the circle, you take pi and multiply it by the diameter. So here, what was the diameter? Well, we found that it was 10 feet. And if we multiply that by pi, we end up getting 15.7 feet. So if you started, if this were a real circle that you could walk on outside, if you started here, in this case, and walked around, you would have walked 15.7 feet. Okay? And lastly, what is the area inside the circle? Well, area can be found by doing 3.14 times the radius and then times the radius another time, one more time. So 3.14 times 5 times 5. Well, 5 times 5 is 25. And then 25 times 3.14 would make 78.5 feet squared. Because it's an area, we want to show 2 dimensions, so it's squared. Okay? So the radius is 5 feet. The diameter is 10 feet. The circumference is 15.7 feet. And the entire area inside the circle is 78.5 feet squared. That concludes this video.